If you're waiting on a family or employment-based green card, October 2025 could bring some major changes to your wait time. Want to know which visa categories are moving forward, which might stall, and what that means for your application? Stay tuned because I'm breaking down the latest USCIS Visa Bulletin forecast so you can plan your next move. First, a quick refresher: the Visa Bulletin is a monthly publication by the Department of State that shows which green card applications can move forward based on priority dates. Because there's a limit on the number of visas available each year per category and country, many applicants face wait times that can last years. The Visa Bulletin tells you whether your priority date is current, meaning your application can be processed, or still waiting, meaning you're in line. For October 2025, USCIS has released some important forecasts and changes, so let's unpack the key points for family-based and employment-based visa categories. Starting with family-based visas, which cover spouses, children, parents, and siblings of U.S. citizens and permanent residents. Good news for many: the F2A category, spouses and minor children of green card holders, is expected to remain current or close to current. This means applications in this category can proceed without significant delay, which is great for families eager to reunite. However, some categories like phone, unmarried adult children of U.S. citizens, and F3, married children of U.S. citizens, may see little movement or even retrogression, meaning the priority dates could move backward. This happens when demand exceeds visa availability, so if you're in these categories, it's crucial to monitor the bulletin closely. For applicants from countries with high demand, especially India, Mexico, China, and the Philippines, priority dates are expected to remain slow-moving due to continued backlogs. If you're from these countries, it might mean waiting longer, so planning ahead and staying patient is key. Moving on to employment-based visas, which cover skilled workers, professionals, and certain special immigrants. The EB1 category, priority workers, including extraordinary ability individuals, multinational managers, and outstanding professors, is forecasted to remain current for most countries, which is excellent news if you qualify here because it means faster processing. The EB2 category, advanced degree professionals and those with exceptional ability, is showing some positive movement, especially for applicants from India and China, where priority dates have been stuck for years. For October, slight forward movement is expected, meaning some applicants could see their applications become current or closer to processing. However, the EB3 category, skilled workers and professionals, remains challenging, especially for applicants from India and China, where priority dates might remain stagnant or see minimal progress. The EB4 and EB5 categories, which cover special immigrants and investors, respectively, are expected to have steady progress but with no major leaps. Here's a key takeaway: if you're eligible for multiple employment categories, it might be worth exploring options to apply under EB1 or EB2 to benefit from faster priority date movement. Another important factor in this forecast is the impact of annual visa caps and spillover visas. When certain categories don't use all their allocated visas, the unused ones spill over into other categories, potentially speeding up some visa numbers. This spillover effect can help reduce wait times in certain categories, but it's unpredictable and varies monthly. One new update from USCIS is increased transparency in publishing these forecast estimates alongside the Visa Bulletin, which is helping applicants better plan their immigration journey. Now, what should you do to prepare for October 2025 and beyond? First, check your priority date regularly against the Visa Bulletin and USCIS updates. If your date becomes current, act quickly on any requests for additional evidence or steps needed to advance your application. Second, if you're sponsoring family members, keep your petitions and documents updated, especially if there are changes in income or family status, to avoid delays. Third, employment-based applicants should consult their employers or immigration attorneys about possible category upgrades or alternative strategies to reduce wait times. Finally, remember that visa processing also depends on USCIS workload, consulate operations, and broader immigration policies, so keep informed through official channels. Before I wrap up, a quick reminder: immigration rules and Visa Bulletin forecasts can change quickly, so stay connected with reliable sources and professional advice to navigate your case effectively.